In front of me is INFINIX Hot 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and tapping on Allow in the pop-ups. Then use red button at the bottom to start recording and hit Allow again. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, click the same button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it on the right one. To play it, click on it, and to manage it, go back, hold it, and use all of those options, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!